Well, a little hard to tell, but this is my truck and I'm finally back out looking at it. This is a 86 K5 Blazer that you guys are going to be seeing a lot more of. And here I am. One of my tires went flat, so I'm here with my air compressor, which you guys will probably get a review on at some point in time, pumping up that back tire. And I got to pump up the trailer tires next. And I'm getting ready to try to drain some gas out of it. We'll see how that goes. That might be a nightmare. I did try to start it and both these batteries are completely dead, and that's what I expected. So I do have a battery. You can see that? That's my battery cable, trying to charge these things real quick and see if I can get a try here at the trailer. But that's not likely going to happen. So let's keep working. Sorry guys, I forgot to record it, but I got about 5 gallons of gas out of her, then decided to throw it back on and turn the key after charging it for a little bit. And she came right back to life. Here's my full battery setup. Still has my charger cables on it. And not all the gauges are hooked up. And I'm still here. Truck running good. I just took the power steering out. It works great too. It didn't squeal or anything. Tires are all pumped up. Still transferring fuel. Well, I give it a chance to charge, which is what it really needs. Actually, I'm probably going to start putting away my stuff now. Put away my air compressor. Some of my other things, while I just wait for this to come and pick this up sometime soon. And well, this is my truck. I'm really hoping you guys are going to see more of this thing, probably in about another 3 weeks. Some of you guys who are motorheads, RamJet 350 Turbo 400 to a 203, 205 transfer case combo, Dana 60 front axle, 35 outers. Slugs, 42-inch tall tires, 116.5 rims, but they're the bead locks. They're internal bead locks on those, and they're split bolt, as you guys can tell by all the bolts around the outside. 410 U-joints. You guys will get to see a lot more of this. See how long I can keep it together.